In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to find this app called My Files that's already on your Samsung. Click on it, and last but not least, select the Downloads category at the top. As you can see, all of my downloaded files are here. To open one, click on it, then pick one of your apps, let's go with Gallery, and decide if you want to open this file type using this app just once or always. To manage your file, you can use those options at the bottom or those at the top right corner. You can also hold one on the list, pick all the other ones you want, or hit all at the top left corner to manage all of them at once. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!